In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Activecampaign. Navigating the digital terrain of customer relationship management platforms like Activecampaign can often feel daunting. Whether you're new to the scene or a seasoned campaigner looking to get the most out of your marketing efforts, understanding the ins and outs of contacting this platform effectively is paramount. So, let's dive right into the process and get you familiar with how to contact Activecampaign seamlessly. Initially, you'll need to find your way to the Activecampaign website. This is your first port of call and the gateway to accessing a wealth of resources, support, and importantly, the contact options available to you. Once you've arrived at their homepage, you're looking for the login button. It's typically positioned prominently, but just in case, it usually resides at the top right corner of the page. Upon locating and clicking this button, you'll be prompted to enter your username. This is a crucial step as it identifies your account and personalizes your experience on the platform. If you ever find yourself scratching your head trying to remember your username, now might be a good time to ensure you have it noted somewhere secure and easily accessible for future reference. Next up is clicking the login button. This step might seem simple, and indeed it is, but it's the bridge that takes you from being an outsider to accessing the full suite of Activecampaign's features tailored for your account. Now, enter your email in the field provided. This action tells Activecampaign exactly who's knocking on their digital door, enabling a smoother, more efficient process as you move forward. Follow this up by entering your password and then clicking login again. Remember, password security is important, so make sure yours is strong and, just like your username, stored somewhere it can be conveniently retrieved when necessary. Here's where the navigation becomes more specific to your purpose. Go to the Activecampaign home by selecting the home icon or link. This area is your dashboard, the control center from which all your actions on Activecampaign will emanate. Your next click will be on Contacts. This action moves you closer to the interaction stage, where you can manage your current contacts, add new ones, or seek assistance with any queries you might have regarding contact management on the platform. Now, for those of you looking to import contacts, look for the Import button. Clicking this button is your gateway to bringing in contacts from various sources, thereby expanding your campaign's reach and effectiveness without the need to manually input potentially thousands of contact details. Next, you'll select Import from File. This option is for those who have prepared a list of contacts ready to be integrated into the Activecampaign environment. It simplifies bulk actions and saves an incredible amount of time. After selecting your file and confirming it's the correct one, you'll press Import. This action initiates the process of integrating your external contact list with Activecampaign's database, a vital step for expanding your outreach and ensuring no contact is left behind. Lastly, the import complete. Notification will signal the successful transfer of your contacts. This not only confirms the action was successful, but also serves as a prompt to begin engaging with your newly imported contacts through the platform. And there you have it, a detailed walkthrough on how to contact Activecampaign, woven into the broader context of logging in, navigating the platform, and managing your contacts effectively. Each step, from finding the login button to the final import confirmation, is designed to make your experience as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Remember, Activecampaign is a powerful tool in your digital marketing arsenal. Knowing how to navigate and utilize its features effectively can significantly boost your campaigns. So take the time to familiarize yourself with these steps, and you'll be on your way to marketing success in no time.